We don't always think about it, but there are a lot of contaminants in our work environment, and those contaminants have the potential of adding unwanted background to our membranes. Our fingerprints can do that, but also dust, lint, dyes, ink. There's really a lot of things that can be present, not only on our instrumentation, but also on the bench, on our hands, and even on our gloves. So before we start a Western blotting, we want to make sure that we're working on a clean environment. To clean your instrumentation, you can use soap and water, followed by pure methanol. When it comes to your transfer pads or your sponges, you shouldn't use soap, you should just use pure methanol, let them soak for a few hours or even overnight, and then rinse them in pure water. When it comes to Western blots, one of the main culprits for unwanted background is Coomassie, especially for near-infrared Western blots. So our recommendation is that you have separate instrumentation for your Coomassie and for your Western blots. Never use the same incubation box for Coomassie and for your membranes. It's also very important to always wear gloves. We have a lot of oils on our skin and even on our benches and anything that we touch, and if those oils and other particles are transferred to our membrane, we end up having a lot of background. Now, another important factor here is not to use pen to write on our membrane. Any color pen that you choose to use, pink, black, they always have a little bit of a blue ink component, and that blue ink is going to give you a lot of background on the 700 channel. So if you're performing near-infrared Western blots, use pencil to write on your membrane. If you really want to use a pen, make sure it is a pure black ink pen. At this point, you're practically ready to run your Western blots, so let's go ahead and watch the mechanics video with Sally so that you can see the sample preparation in action.